Good morning. It's been a little while since we've done some traveling, so I wanted to catch you up with what we've been doing. We stayed for several weeks in North Carolina with Gary's parents, like we normally do during Christmas. We were able to get some of those videos that you recently saw on major updates or major maintenance on the camper, which was really great. Then we headed south towards Tampa.
Well, here we are hitting the road again, and hitting the road usually means doing this. So we're filling up our tanks, and believe it or not, this is the gas price. This gas station's doing us a solid. Everybody else is $4.99. This is 60 cents a gallon cheaper. So yeah, I mean, this guy knows how to do business.
Last night we stayed over at the Georgia Welcome Center, which was kind of loud, but you know, it worked for a free night stay. We are headed into Sarasota, visiting my sister, and she does not have a dump station. So we found a dump station at this local marathon. Thought that would be kind of nice. It's a lot more expensive than I thought. This little dump station over here is a bit awkward, and cost $15. $15 for a dump. But, you know, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. And we're like awkwardly positioned here, so somebody can get over on the side, but if you had a much bigger vehicle, it might be a little challenge here. But there is a dump station and a water spigot over there in order to get shit done. We're just off of I-95, which has been absolutely lovely. Just traffic jam after traffic jam. Gary doing what Gary does best. So I had a bigger birthday year this time and wanted to do something a little crazy for New Year's. We went to Ybor City within Tampa and had a wonderful night out and went to see an EDM concert with Benny Benassi.
beach, which was definitely out of the norm for us, but still amazingly awesome. We gained a lot of fun, but we also got the Rona. So we had been holed up at my sister's house in Sarasota for the last week or so, kind of recovering and keeping away from folks. Then Michael and Sarah, my kids, came down to visit towards the end of that, and we were able to do some hiking and kayaking and stuff with the cousins, which was really great. Right now we're just west of Tallahassee, and we're making our way west. We're at a COE campground, which is, we came in last night. There was a lot of rain and stuff, but waking up to a very beautiful morning. Very beautiful, but cold morning. Glad to be back on the road. We got some pretty amazing campsites right on the water here. Sorry I'm speaking quietly, mainly because I've got a cold, but also because I don't want to be a jerk. It's morning. But look at this. This one was even available last night. We didn't even see it. Wow. We were serenaded with roosters this morning. A quintessential Floridian morning. Aren't you a pretty little one? Why did the rooster pick this campground? Because. Now that we're on the road, I will admit that I have done little to no planning on this trip. We know we're headed to Arizona. We're going to the truck camper rally in Quartzsite, which I'm very excited about. But beyond that, a couple of places here and there, so I'm starting to plan now. It's better late than never, right? So if you have any interesting places that we should be visiting, let us know. We're definitely open to diversions. And of course, nothing but the best for y'all. Doing what we do best.
Making it down.
We are great at dumping.